How to delete Snapchat call history. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. And once you open it up, head over to your chat section down below. And at the top left, you'll find your profile icon. Just head over there. And once you get to your profile page, you'll find the gear icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it to head over to settings. Now, once the settings page is loaded, scroll down until you find the option where it says My Data. Scroll down all the way, tap on My Data, and here you'll be able to see all of your data. Now from here you can export the data that you have on your Snapchat, like your chats, messages, but in order to delete the chat history, you're going to have to head over to clear conversation and then select the conversation that you want to clear. All you need to do is tap on the cross icon right beside the name and then tap on clear. After doing this, your call history with that specific person will also be cleared, and that's it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.